Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on factor tree worksheet. So this video presents a single worksheet where we can practice finding the prime factors for any given number. Now if you're not sure what to do, on the next slide you'll be directed to click on a link. It will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. It's quite straightforward. The lesson is very clear and it will explain everything. So use a factor tree to find the prime factors for each of the following numbers. We start off with 54. So basically I'll just give you a quick hint. If we write 54 like that up the top, so there's our 54, and this is how we build up the factor tree. We just do two arms coming down like that, and we find two numbers that are multiplied together to give us 54. Now there are quite a few of them. You can have, for example, 2 times 27. You can have that. You can have 6 times 9. Okay, so they're just two options. So it doesn't matter what two numbers you put here, as long as those two numbers multiply together to give you 54, you keep working. Let's assume we had 6 times 9. I won't do any more other than this. Assume we had 6 times 9 as the two numbers. Then you keep going down and you break those down again. And right at the end, you'll end up with the prime factors, and that will show you all the prime factors that are multiplied together to give you 54. And you do exactly the same for all of those numbers. Just write the initial number down. For example, here we have 120. Just write the initial number down like that, and start building up. Oh, that went everywhere, didn't it? Start building up the factor tree like that. Okay, and you have a number here and a number there, and just keep building the tree up until you have the answers at the end. Finally, it doesn't matter what two numbers you start with, just keep building the tree up and you will always get the answer at the end. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice finding the prime factors for any given number. And I'll tell you once more, if you are confused, the next slide has a link on it. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of the examples.